What if I told you that you can make soft, buttery homemade cookies in your air fryer with just a few simple ingredients? No oven, no complicated steps, just delicious cookies with a crispy edge and a soft center. If you love quick and easy desserts, you're gonna want to save this recipe. Let's get started. First, add 80 grams of melted butter to a mixing bowl. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now mix everything together until it's smooth, creamy, and well combined. Take your time here. This step helps dissolve the sugar and evenly blends all the flavors, giving your cookies a rich, buttery taste and the perfect texture from the very beginning. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, save this video, and share it with someone who loves cookies. Next, grab a strainer. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then sift them into the butter mixture. Sifting helps remove any lumps and makes your cookies lighter and softer, so it's definitely worth taking the extra few seconds. Now, gently combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Mix slowly until a soft cookie dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Just keep folding everything together until you don't see any dry flour left. Once your dough is ready, scoop out about 1 tablespoon of dough for each cookie. Roll it gently between your hands, then flatten it slightly to create that classic cookie shape. Repeat the process until all your cookies are ready. Now it's time for the air fryer. Arrange the cookies in the basket, leaving a little space between each one because they'll spread slightly while baking. Depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to bake them in batches. Bake the cookies at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them during the last few minutes because every air fryer cooks a little differently. You'll know they're ready when the edges turn a beautiful light golden color. Once baked, carefully remove the cookies and transfer them to a plate or cooling rack. Let them cool for a few minutes. They may seem soft at first, but they'll firm up perfectly as they cool, giving you that irresistible texture. And that's it. Easy homemade air fryer cookies. Crispy on the outside, soft and buttery on the inside, and made with simple pantry ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, save this video, and share it with someone who loves cookies.